Good morning. It wouldn't be a weekend unless you heard Mike's voice from the farm, right? Good morning, everybody. It's Mike here at the farm in Woodbury. It's December 5th. It is Sunday morning, just about 11 o'clock. Sun is shining. We hope you are as well. We have today a new product that I wanted to show everybody, Small Batch Organics. They're organic, delicious granola from Vermont. Small Batch Organics makes many different peppermint barks, basically granola barks, sorry. But this one is seasonal. We do have some others on the shelf. Definitely something to check out. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Today we have plenty of spices, as of normal, but we are fully stocked on our spice line here. We are open today until 4 p.m. We're at Route 132 in Woodbury, Connecticut, in the white tent. I know, right? In a tent. Well, plenty of good air circulation for all those worried about the COVID. We have plenty of teas today from Harney's Teas. These are in a sachet. Look at this one. Black cask bourbon. Who would have ever thought, right? Also some Scuzio coffees. Those are a company here in Connecticut. Cheeses, cider, milks, lots of different cheeses here. We have the Regatta, we have Buffalo, we have Burrata, we have blue cheese, all sorts of cheeses from Arethusa, and some yogurts and eggs and such. In the freezer today, there's pies. We have pumpkin pie and blueberry peach pie that needs to be baked by you, but it might be a nice day to bake a pie in that oven. We have some pizzas as well from Wave Hill Bakery down in the bottom. Plenty of ice cream and bacons. Baked goods today. Foussaka bread from Ovens of France. We have baguettes from Ovens of France and plenty of 3-grain caramelized garlic bread from Wave Hill Breads, along with the olive and roasted red pepper bread, cinnamon buttermilk, yeast, wild yeast sourdough, natural marble rye, and natural buttermilk white. Terrific breads. If you want to make your own bread, we even have bread flour from New Hope Mills, stone ground in New York State. At this wonderful wee charcuterie, we have the full line. They're hot, sweet, and mid-grade, I guess, or mid-flavor, mid-spice. No nitrates, no gluten, no celery, no fillers, no dyes. This is made in Woodbridge, Connecticut. Terrific, terrific products. We also have our Simply Salsa and totally Tomatillo green salsa, red and green, get it, with some chips. And these flour tortilla chips are baked, not fried. I'll show you those in a minute, but they're terrific. They're out of Bridgeport, Connecticut as well. We have some garlic scapes. We have some pickled garlic scapes. Some olives. Those are again from Connecticut. Gluten-free crackers. So there's a little charcuterie going on over on this side of the tent. We have some lemons, limes, and oranges because we always need those. Onions. I'm going to be refilling the greens as soon as I'm done shooting this video. We have broccoli rabe, which sold like mad yesterday. And the broccoli rabe, lots of compliments on our broccoli rabe, which is awesome. It's not like grocery store broccoli rabe by any means, but delicious. Everyone that tasted, I could just see their eyes lit up when they were telling me about it. Some lettuce, cabbage, and kale. I'm still picking more kale. Beans and sweet potatoes and potatoes, ginger, oranges, a few tomatoes, celery, garlic, onions, potatoes, sweet potatoes, even purple ones. Some end of the season herbs, you know, the cool season herbs. We don't have basil because that's totally done. It's just too cold for basil. Cranberries, cranberry chutney, pomegranates, pears. These pears are amazing. They're a Bosc pear, they're winter pear. They're crunchy, but they're sweet, but they're not too crunchy, if that makes any sense. But you're more than welcome to try one when you come in. Just mention you saw Mike on the video. He said, hey, I could try one. No problem. We have Mutsu, Evercrisp, Fortune, McCowan, Cortland, Golden Delicious, Empire, and Cameo apples. Amazing. Brussels sprouts, other side beets, broccoli, garlic, soups. Dried soup mix, split pea, Tuscan, French lentil. I am expecting more of these in. There's going to be a new line on top of what we have here coming in. It's not here. It's supposed to arrive. I know. Holiday shipping, probably. We also have those flour tortillas that I was mentioning earlier. This is a little bit more of a close-up. Delicious. You break them apart. You dip them in the salsa. They hold up really well. Leeks, parsnips, carrots, spinach, peppers, rutabaga. Everyone must eat a rutabaga. We only have like 500 rutabagas. I don't. Ask about some different methods on how to cook them if you are interested in that when you come in today. We are open until 4 p.m. It is Sunday. Look at this. Sweet Maria's bread, some more granolas, red onions maybe for a soup, hot sauces from Vermont. Look at that label. Isn't that fun? So if you have anybody in your gift giving that is into different hot sauces and flavors and all that stuff, these might be a kind of a cool stocking stuffer or gift idea. We have olive oils and garlics as well. Look at these squashes. Delicata, autumn frost, phenomenal. Butternut, honey nut, acorn squash, little gluten-free snacks. We tasted these yesterday. My mother's like, what are these? I didn't know we were selling these. We tasted them. She's like, these are really good. I'm like, that's why we have them. Also, we have granolas, and again, the hot sauces over here. New Hope Mills, we have pretty much their product line of pancake mixes, gluten-free and gluten. Apple crisp, we even have muffin mixes. Gluten-free pasta, that's good gluten-free pasta, none of that half-bit stuff. This is the real thing. And we have some really cool flavors of pastas here as well. So nice colors and textures. We have the straight pastas, the longer ones too. Our syrup, gotta have Woodbury Sugar Shed syrup, right? This is made right here in Woodbury. We've been making syrup for almost 40 years. I am 44, and my father started this when I was born. So yeah, it's been a few years. I'm not gonna lie. Ben is my brother. This is his maple bourbon barbecue sauce named after Ben. Terrific product. It's got a nice bit of heat to it, and it has our bourbon maple syrup in it. Now you ask, what is bourbon maple syrup? Bourbon maple syrup is maple syrup that's been aged in a wooden bourbon cask for about a year. And so it picks up the flavors of the bourbon and the cask without the alcohol, unfortunately or fortunately, depending on how you're looking at that this morning. But that is what's in that syrup, so or the barbecue sauce rather. So terrific. My wife Amanda makes jams and jellies. These are not made in a certified kitchen, but we do have a few here, and that is our stock on that, and then we are done. Candles, beeswax candles, nice gift, burn nice and clean, smell good, natural, awesome candles. Honey as well. We have wildflower clover. We have some specialty honeys as well. Honey sticks. This was a popular item yesterday. I know somebody saw this on one of the Facebook videos and was like, I gotta go get those honey sticks. Honeycomb lollipops as well. In the other tent back here, we have some holiday shirts. This was a fun one. All our crew saying, I wish we all were wearing those. But anyway, we have a few gifts here as well. Honey's teas, specialty teas for the holidays are in the back tent here. We have a few gifts, puzzles and water rockets and giant bubbles and some books on about outer space and insects and gliders, just little things, right? And again, there's a little bit of jewelry type items here, sunflowers and earrings and such, and then the gift baskets begin. And boy, oh boy, have our elves been busy making gift baskets. Right, Riley? She's been really busy making gift baskets, and we are so appreciative of all the outpouring of support through your purchase of these gift baskets and giving your gift of local to your recipients and family and friends. We can do these in a Merry Christmas. We also have some that are not Merry Christmas oriented, of course, because we don't all celebrate Christmas. We're aware of that. But they are online at thefarmwoodbury.com. Click shop, and then you can go right there and you can order them. We'll ship them across the nation. I tap that sweatshirts, onesies, little locavore, a bunch of different things. Taza chocolate, these make a good stocking stuffer as well. And some more gift baskets. And today only we have the croissants from Ovens of France, chocolate, plain, and cinnamon rolls. Up top again, these are the small batch organics. I keep harping on these because they are so delicious. Cherry granola bark, they're $2.50 in the small bag, stocking stuffer size, and it is delicious. If you put chocolate in a stocking, yes, I would love to get that in my stocking. And some popcorn. Riley, we're here till 4 today. Did I miss anything?
I think you got it all.
Got it all, she says. So I hope I wasn't too lengthy and I didn't lose you too much in the video, but ooh, popcorn as well. We are here in the tent that does not look like much out here, but the sun is out. It is bright. The open sign is up. I'm going to go down to the field and do a little picking now. We'll see you in a couple hours, hopefully. Route 132, Woodbury, Connecticut. Open till 4, Sunday, December 5th.